Okay. Yeah.
Where's your little piece here?
All things being equal. Alakazam.
So what we'll do is what do you have to do now? You've got to get a 200.
Right, well, we'll cut it a bit longer, so it'll be, the blocks are 200. So we'll get rid of our dummy piece now, and then when we cut our piece to fit in before the pour, we'll just make it a little bit longer so we've got something to play with that can be cut off with the grinder easily afterwards.
And what is this for again?
This is for our actual toilet pipe to come through. So we go bigger. Okay, that's obviously don't need that size for a toilet pipe. You go bigger, and then you've got a little bit of play for when your toilet pipe comes through here, and then you just seal it up with expandable foam before you do your render. Thank you.